Hello students, welcome to my maths class. Today I am going to teach you about circle. So are you ready? Let us start. Okay students, here we have a circle. Now let me know what is circle. Circle क्या है? Circle is joining too many dots. Circle is joining too many dots whose distance is fixed from the center point. Okay, this is the center point O. O is the center point. What is circle? Circle is joining too many dots whose distance is same from the fixed point or the center point. Now here are different parts of circle. Let us see step by step. First is center point and the second is circumference. What is circumference? The line of the circle is called circumference of the circle. Another name also perimeter. इसका एक और नाम है circumference का, वो है perimeter. ये जो है ये सर्कल का सेंटर पॉइंट है और ये जो लाइन है सर्कल की उसे सर्कमफ्रेंस कहा जाता है और सर्कमफ्रेंस का अनदर नेम है पेरीमीटर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ लेट अस मूव टू अनदर पॉइंट, दैट इज रेडियस. नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट इज रेडियस. Now listen carefully. From the center point, if I draw a line on the other point of the circle, अगर सेंटर पॉइंट से मैं कोई भी लाइन ड्रॉ करती हूँ सर्कल के किसी भी पॉइंट के ऊपर, तो उसे कहा जाता है रेडियस. ओके, शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ रेडियस is R. Okay. Now let us see how many radius you can see here. कितने रेडियस आपको इस सर्कल में दिखाई दे रहे हैं? Yes, here is OA, radius OA, radius OS, radius OT, and another one OK. Now write down radius OA, radius OS, radius OT, and the last one radius OK. अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज रेडियस? रेडियस जो है वो सेंटर पॉइंट से अगर कोई भी लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं हम लोग सर्कल के ऊपर कौन से भी पॉइंट पे, तो उसे कहा जाता है रेडियस. नाउ लेट अस सी कॉर्ड ऑफ द सर्कल. कॉर्ड किसे कहते हैं? कॉर्ड, ये सेंटर पॉइंट. ओके, द लाइन सेगमेंट joining two points on the circle, it is called chord. The line segment that joining two points of the circle, that is called chord. सर्कल के ऊपर कौन से भी दो पॉइंट्स को अगर लाइन ज्वाइन करती है तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? chord. We represent chord is as chord AB. We can say that AB is the chord of the circle. Now tell me how many chords you can see here. Yes, here is chord MN, chord SK. Okay students, now let us move to another point, that is diameter or diameter. This is the very important part of the circle. So let us see what is diameter. The line passes through the center point. Listen carefully. The line that passes through the center point, it is called diameter of the circle. The line passes through the center point. It is called the diameter of the circle. And the short form of diameter is? Short form of diameter is? Yes, D. And diameter is also chord, and it is the longest chord of the circle. Okay. And this is also double of radius. Double of radius means if the center point, ये center point से अगर हम line draw करते तो इतना radius होता है, ये अपने को पता है. If I draw this line and extend it to the another point of the circle, that is called diameter, means R plus R. If R is means radius is 5 centimeter, the distance is same. So here is also 5 centimeter. R plus R means 5 plus 5, 10 centimeter. The distance of diameter is 10 centimeter. Okay. So 3 points we get here about the diameter. What are they? First is diameter is the longest chord. Second, passes through the center point. Passes through the center point. Third is double of radius. रेडियस के डबल होता है, डायमीटर जो है वो रेडियस के डबल होता है. दिस इज द 3 पॉइंट्स यू शुड रिमेंबर. फर्स्ट इज लॉन्गेस्ट chord, second is passes through the center point, and third is double of radius. Okay students, now let us revise what we learned today about the circle. Yes, tell me. We learn different parts of circle. First is center point. First is center point. Okay, this is the center point. This is the center point. Second part, circumference. Okay, this is called circumference or perimeter. Okay, third is radius. From the center point, if I draw a line on the other point on the circle, that is called radius of the circle. Here is OA is the radius of the circle. Fourth is chord. The line segment that joining 2 points of the circle or on the circle, that is called chord. Here is PQ is the chord of the circle, chord PQ. You can write like this. And fifth one is diameter. From the, if the line passes through the center point, here the line passes through the center point, it is called diameter. Here is SQ is the diameter. of the circle. Diameter is also chord and it is the longest chord of the circle. It passes through the center point and it is double of radius. It is double of radius. So students, do you understand this topic? I hope you understand this topic. Enough for today. Take care. Bye bye.